Hi guys, this is lesson 3-6. I can divide by any method. A helper in the school store suggests selling notebooks in packages of 4. How many packages of 4 can be made from 192 notebooks? So in the problem, I know the school store wants to sell the notebooks in packages of 4. So that means each package will have 4 notebooks. The question is asking how many packages of 4 can be made from 192 notebooks. Let's think about what they're asking. So they're taking a total of 192 notebooks, and they want to put these notebooks into groups of 4. I have 192 notebooks, so I'm imagining putting all of those notebooks into groups of 4. So that is a lot of notebooks to sit and draw and put into groups. That could take me quite a while, but I'm imagining dividing up all 192 notebooks into these groups of 4. So an easier way to do that could be to use digit by digit division. I know I'm starting with 192 notebooks. I'm splitting them into groups of 4. So to help me figure this out, I'm going to use the acronym Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, Rover. Remember, the D in Dad is for divide, the M in Mom is for multiply, the S in Sister is for subtract, the B in Brother is for bring down, and Rover stands for repeat or remainder. So I'm going to look at this digit by digit. The first digit is 1. I'm thinking to myself, does 4 go into 1? And it doesn't. So then I look at 19. And I'm thinking, does 4 go into 19? And it does. It goes in 4 times. That's my divide. Next is multiply. So now I'm going to do 4 times 4, which is 16. Then I subtract. 19 minus 16 gives me 3. Next, I bring down. I look at my new number, 32. Am I going to repeat, or is that my remainder? Well, 32 is bigger than 4, so I need to repeat. So I go back to the top, and I'm going to divide. How many 4s go into 32? That should be a math fact that I know. 4 times 8 is 32. Next, I multiply. 8 times 4 is 32. Then I subtract. 32 minus 32 is 0. Next, I bring down. I don't have anything else to bring down. So I go to repeat or remainder. Well, I have a 0 here, so 0 is smaller than 4. So I am not going to repeat. I'm going to have a remainder of 0. So my answer is just 48. So I'm going to go back to my problem. How many packages of 4 can be made from 192 notebooks? 48, label your answer, packages. I'm going to think if that makes sense. So I have 192 notebooks. If I split them into groups of 4, I would have 48 groups. That seems reasonable. Today, you learned how to divide a real-world problem using digit-by-digit division.